Hi, welcome back to Howie's Hot Rods. I know it's been a long time since we've done a video. I hope everybody's being patient, but like I said in the previous video, we need to sell that truck in order to get to our next build. We had our potential buyer call us today and said he was very interested. He's gonna meet us over at Mike's house and we're gonna hopefully get this deal done. About 99% sure he's buying it. He's pretty excited, we're excited, and but I won't know until we actually shake hands. So
Back it up.
We're back. This will be the last time we see it running.
Hey, we never
Maybe.
got here.
Maybe. We'll tell him when it comes in, we'll give it to him. There it is, man. Yeah, so if he buys this, no more green trucks. We'll be looking for the next build. Yeah, that thing sounds good. Dusty.
It is done.
Been sitting.
Been sitting out.
Pretty cool. Gonna miss you, truck. Got a tear in my eye. All right, welcome back. We got Rick here. He's just the proud owner of this new truck, man.
Yep.
What do you think? You love it?
I like it. I like it a lot.
Good. And he only lives just right next to Mike or down the road, so now Mike gets to
Which
watch
we're
it
gonna
go
see
by
all
and he's
the
gonna have a
time.
tear in his eye.
Yep.
Pretty
Every
cool.
time I see it, I'm gonna be like, damn, we should have kept that truck.
Yeah, right. Well, cool.
Yep.
Well, thanks again, man. Appreciate
thank
it.
Nice meeting you guys.
Yeah, nice meeting you too.
Nice work.
Thank you. There it goes, people. There she goes. See you around, truck. That guy's got posse in that thing. You hear that?
That's what I was gonna say. He's either got a spool or
Yeah.
it's got posi in it because he was scooting the tires just
All right.
pulling out.
All right, Mike. What's our next one, man?
Yeah.
When we get that
We'll have to
51,
see.
man, we're gonna
We'll
we're
have
gonna
to
build
see.
we're gonna build us a rat rod, maybe, kind of.
Yeah, we'll see.
Anyway,
Keep an eye out. It's gotta
Yeah.
be a good deal though.
yeah, that's right. All right, peace out. So until then, I want to thank the veterans and the troops that protect this country. God bless America, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again.